Welcome back to DNA's Birdie Adventures, and we are back in Colorado doing some birding. We are so excited to be back in Colorado, and look what showed up at the bird feeder. This will be our 2026 birding update, some of our backyard birding pictures, and then we'll head to our favorite birding spot, Lon Hagler. We just returned from Turks and Caicos and some birding in Florida. It feels like we just got off the Aggressor 2 boat. Here are some highlights from our trip. I'll add the links to the 3 videos in the description, including being circled by sharks quite often. We were very impressed with northern Florida with so many birding encounters, including this Mississippi kite and this eastern towhee calling. We went to Okefenokee on the boardwalk. Then last but not least, our 3rd video, Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge. We could not believe all the animal encounters and behaviors at Canaveral National Seashore and then on Black Point Wildlife Drive. Check this out. First, these double-crested cormorants sparring. There's a little display happening right here. Ooh, oh my gosh, they're fighting. Then this reddish egret along with this tricolored heron with some unique fishing techniques. Oh, that's a reddish egret. Oh my gosh, he's doing the umbrella dance. I don't think I've seen one do that. Then these tricolored herons were just beautiful and posing for me. Beautiful. Hope you have a chance to watch those. They were pretty exciting for us. Now we're back in Colorado after leaving for a week and a half. It's amazing how many birds decide to come through at this time of year. The birds are back. We got all these birds just in a few days to add to our 2026 birding list. The moment we returned, I put out a couple orange slices, and these western tanagers and the Bullock's Orioles were all over them. We also put out some bird seeds in the summer, but mostly just the water fountain, a little bit of seed, and then these oranges. More birds showing up, 219 for the Lincoln sparrow here. We have 92 bird species total that we've found in our yard. We try to plant as much natural foliage as we can so the birds have places to hide, places to perch, food to eat, and be in the shade. These lazuli buntings are beautiful, bird number 221. Sometimes we get the indigo bunting. Other animals taking advantage of the foliage, including raccoons, skunks, squirrels, mountain lions, deer, and this big boy. We usually get the same hummingbirds every year. We haven't seen the calliope or the black-chinned yet. They usually stop by in the fall. The northern house wrens have claimed the bird box that Dave built a couple years ago, or a 2nd year in a row. It's a great catbird in our yard. He comes about every year, sometimes with a mate. Finally, we love Lon Hagler Reservoir. It's our favorite birding spot all seasons. It's just a little lake down in Loveland, Colorado. I think this is our 4th video from Lon Hagler. We usually just walk around the little wooded area right here, circled, but sometimes we'll walk all the way around. There's also an area below the dam where we like to go on the Lon Hagler Nature Trail. Right away we saw a pair of Bullock's Orioles. Out in the lake, there was a pair of western grebes. We needed that one for the year. That's bird number 229. We still need the Clark's grebe. I slowed this video way down so you could see the cliff swallows diving in and out, getting mud for their mud nests. Making mud nests, right? They split the yellow warblers now. This one's the northern yellow warbler. We're going to have to check our life bird list. All the yellow warblers used to be lumped into one. This lark sparrow is building a nest and a new bird for 2026. The ospreys are back. They tend to nest in late March and early April. They were almost wiped out with DDT, the pesticide, and now they're nesting again since the 1990s. We were surprised to see this great horned owl out in the open kind of, and awake. They usually sleep during the day. Then we figured out it had a fledgling nearby, so it was probably trying to distract us. The great horned owls are fierce predators, and they have a 440-pound per square inch grip of force. Interestingly, they cannot move their eyes around in their sockets. But to compensate, they can move their entire head up to 270 degrees to look around. Those are not ears, those are tufts. Actually, their ears are asymmetrical. They're slightly at different heights so that they can maximize their hearing.
Just fledged.
Oh, fledged. Great horned owl. Oh, wink. Oh, they're beautiful. Morning, Deb. Check out these two black-capped chickadees, one's being fed. When we were heading back to the parking lot, we noticed this great blue heron that had a lure stuck to his chest. It was concerning. He had a fish in his mouth, so I thought he might be okay. I wish I could take that lure out. Aww, poor thing. Got the fishing hook hooked to his belly. Kind of a big lesson to make sure if you're fishing, pick up after yourselves. There is a place where you can throw all your fishing line away right here at Lon Hagler. Okay, that's a wrap. We're heading out. Here's this beautiful Beard's Tongue Penstemon. On our way back, we stopped by Cattail Pond. There's always all sorts of birds in there. There's an avocet, new for 2026, bird number 232. And a few more birds at it at Lon Hagler. Drum roll, please. We're at 232 species. It's the beginning of June now. We'll see what happens when we head up to the high country on our next stop. We'll head to Golden Gate Canyon State Park and Lyons, Colorado, as well as Middle St. Vrain River, looking for new birds. Thank you so much for watching Dave and Audrey's Birding Adventures, subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy trails to you. We're so glad that we're back in Colorado.